each other. With PubSub, publisher send message a topic and subscriber receive. So basically, publisher send a message to the messaging queue or messaging bus or buffer. So this each table we known as the topic, and the subscriber they have each subscriber one message can read by many subscriber, but they have some condition like each subscriber have access ID and access key. So they have checkpoint and everything. So PubSub is a fully managed service and manages that Google handle the infrastructure availability and security of service, allowing developer to focus on building their application rather than managing messaging infrastructure. It can use to build variety of distribution system, including streaming data pipelines, event-driven system, and IoT application. Cloud PubSub. What is Cloud PubSub? Global scale messaging buffer coupler. No ops, global availability, auto scaling, decouple senders and receivers, swing data injects, also connect to other data pipeline service equivalent to Apache Kafka open source, guaranteed at least directory. So this is you can see here Google Cloud PubSub, Cloud Logs, Cloud API, data flow, cloud storage, computing, many source system, and data is coming here, cloud networking, and they can read the source system, cloud engine, cloud data flow, app engine, cloud monitoring. So in general, PubSub is a messaging service allow decoupling variety application and service provided in the real time, scalable and asynchronous communication system. PubSub service consists of two main components, namely publisher and subscriber. Publisher are application or service that create a message and send them to topic, and PubSub topic named as the resource that represents string message. Publisher are responsible sending message. Subscriber, on the other hand, application or service that consume the message sent topic. A subscriber must create subscription topic receiver message from it. A subscriber is named resource that represents streaming message from a single specific topic to derived from subscriber application. When a message is published to topic, PubSub service delivers the message to the subscriber that have an active subscription to the topic. The message delivered asynchronous and can be done in different rates depending on subscriber capacity and receiver process message. The PubSub service in GCP use publish subscribe messaging model that enable decoupling variety of application service. This model provides scalability, reliability, flexibility, handle increasing volume and subscribes. So this is how it works. Topic message and PubSub message. Subscriber, publisher, message, topic. Publisher is coming, then is sending message to topic, and top message storage. Topic is here, is storing. Then subscriber is subscribing message and subscribes. It can also go like that. It's a asynchronous transformation. Push and pull. So there is various mechanism. PubSub can be either push message to subscriber or subscriber can pull the message to PubSub. Push means lower latency, more real time. Push subscriber must have webhook endpoint that accept post over HTTPS. Pull is ideal large volume of message. It's used for batch delivery. IAM allowed to controlling the access project topic subscription admin editor pricing data volume is used per month in GB. So this is the price for first 10 GB is free. Next 50 GB is 0.06. Next 100 GB 0.05. Price per GB. This is price per GB. Beyond 150 GB is 0.04. So it's very cheaper. Data. Okay, so now data lifecycle streaming data ingest. So usually they keep the data inject in PubSub is 3 days, but it's still is we can change this one, but ideally is 3 days enough in store data in the messaging system. Then real-time data can consume it. So if you have more than 3 days data, I think you can consume data from batch data. So these are applications. Then this injects data in PubSub. Then the cloud data flow is the real-time data. Cloud data flow, it can real-time process. And then we have Data Studio to view. BigQuery also we can use. Cloud machine learning we can use. Cloud Bigtable we can use. Data warehouse, predictive analytics, processing. So this is the ideal diagram. So topic is very simple creation. Create topic, create subscription, republish message, retrieve message. Simple. It's very simple. So GC Cloud Pub subscription, create topic, 9 topics equal publish message hello. So it's the same like that. PubSub's hands-on also you guys can do. You can download from Google Cloud, and this is the steps. You can pause the video and you can try. And there is also a way to connect with Kafka. Does PubSub replace Kafka? Not always. Hybrid workload, internet with existing tool and framework. Don't need global scaling and capability. PubSubs can use both Kafka on promises and PubSub GCP same data. How do you connect Kafka to GCP? So on premises, source connector, Kafka, sync, PubSub. So this is on-premises databases. Put data into Kafka and then sync is here. So this is also can done. Monitoring subscription health. In a perfect world, subscription is published work perfectly harmony. For example, 1 million messages per second published, 1 million messages per second successfully PubSub. Result no backlog and PubSub queue. But don't live in perfect world, subscription cannot keep up the publish rate. Result backlog and subscription queue. Troubleshooting. We can also create, the troubleshooting, whether it's the data is flowing, is there any backlogs and all those things. And so I'm going here some interview questions. So these are interview questions about PubSub. What is the PubSub and what is the main component? PubSub is a messaging service provided by Google Cloud, enable decoupling application and service. The main component of PubSub subscriber topic and subscription. How does PubSub ensure message delivery? PubSub guarantee at least one message delivery, which means that each message will be delivered in subscription at least once. So they deliver at least one message. PubSub also supports acknowledge of received message. It allows subscription to inform service that everywhere. What is difference message delivery option? PubSub offer two type of messaging delivery option: post and pull. Right? How does PubSub handle scaling? PubSub is fully managed service and automatically scaled based on the volume of messages. It can handle millions of messages per second. What is different use case of PubSub? We also can use variety of use cases such as real-time data processing, event-driven characteristic data analytics, injection with GCP services. What is difference between topic and subscription? Topic is like table, and subscription where you subscribe the topic. What is different security features? So the security feature is access management, IAM. How does PubSub compare to other messaging system like Kafka? PubSub and Kafka have some similarity but also have some differences. PubSub is fully managed service provided by GCP, while Kafka is open source distributed managing its performance. PubSub is simpler to use, while Kafka is provide more control flexibility. The choice between two depend upon the specific requirement and use case. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channels. Thank you for watching.